Why do you study English?
I study English because I want to communicate with foreigners.
Good. What do you expect from this class?
I expect to improve my English speaking, English communication skills.
Very good. Keep going. Yep. Yes, done.
Now, number 2. In which areas of English do you want to work on and improve the most, and why?
I want to improve my English speaking skill the most because I want to communication in English.
I want to communicate.
In English.
In English with foreigners.
Very good. Very good.
Right.
Okay.
Number 4. How do you usually start your day?
I usually start my day with following activities.
Activities.
Okay.
First.
First, I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Very good.
Second, I take a shower and rest for about 10 minutes
And dress.
and rest
For about.
for about 10 minutes.
Very good.
Third, I have breakfast for about 10 minutes.
Fourth.
Fourth, I leave home for school at 7 o'clock.
O'clock. Finally.
Finally, I arrive at school at 7:30 in the morning.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Keep going.
What is the main challenge you face at school?
The main challenge I face at
Challenge.
I face at school is the English class because I find it's difficult.
I find it difficult for me.
I find this difficult for me. I still don't know much English vocabulary.
Okay. Which subject do you think you're best at and why?
I think I am the best at
Better
at Chinese language.
language.
Then
Then. Not them. Then.
than other subject because I am interested.
Because I am interested.
Interested in learning about Chinese culture and tradition.
Traditions.
Also, I find it easy for me to remember Chinese
Characters.
and words.
Okay. Good.
Number 8. Which subject do you think is the most difficult for you and why?
I think chemistry is the most difficult subject for me because I find it's hard to
Memorize
the
elements.
in the
Periodic
Table.
table.
Okay.
Also, I don't remember.
I don't understand.
I don't understand
Well,
how to apply. I marry for
Formulate.
formulate.
and calculation.
Calculations.
In calculations.
In calculation.
Very good. Okay. Well done. Good. High five.